balonze for the top 6 contestants bebalowooza nti bebagenda okubanga bayongera okusunsulako okulaba nga bafuna Miss Uganda Eastern Region 2023. Judges. Kiri bulungi kiri malidadi sana abo muli? Yes, okay. Kakati kale. Onsuuliridde. Neka ngubulye ne bwonsuulirira leero ndi naawe kabandi ku ndongo.
Why should you win this pageant?
I believe that in this world, when you're given an opportunity and you rise to the occasion, then you have to show up in the best way. And as I stand before you today, I come standing tall, knowing that I can carry the crown of Miss Uganda. I believe that within me, I have what it takes to represent the Miss Uganda World, Miss Uganda Foundation, and my country. So that's why I believe that I can carry the crown.
Okay, next question. Do you think technology is hurting relationships?
Ideally, yes, because sometimes people do not have the mindset that it takes to break down and encode certain messages. So you could text somebody and tell them, I miss you, I want to see you, and they're going to misinterpret it or take it a certain way. So if we have the grace to at least communicate in person and tell people the way we truly feel, without trying to break it down from 140 characters in a tweet or a WhatsApp message, then I believe that yes, it does affect to an extent the relationships we have today.
Thank you.
Thank you.
My dream is to become a doctor so that I can impact my community through that, because I have a passion for helping people that have skin illnesses, as I suffered from it. So whether or not I win this pageant, I will still continue to pursue my dream.
If you had an opportunity to meet one person, not a family member, but a person who inspires, motivates you, or a leader, what conversation would you have with them?
If I had the opportunity to meet one person, I would meet Miss Ivory Coast, Olivia Yasef, and Miss World Africa 2021 to 2022. She inspired me a lot when I was watching the Miss World competition, and I watched her and how much she grew and what she did in the competition and what she believed in, and I would love to meet her, and I would love to have a conversation about how to grow yourself as a person and how to grow your country and how to represent your country and the people around you.
Okay, same question still. Do you think technology is hurting relationships? Whatever it is, personal, social, work, or any kind of relationships, and why?
I believe that some forms of technology are hurting relationships, but some are good for relationships. For example, social media is affecting a lot of personal relationships, mainly relationships that are love interests, because there's a lot of toxicity going on, a lot of culture about accepting people for their physical appearance, for their money, than for the beauty that they have inside. But at the same time, I believe that some technologies are good and are helping relationships. For example, for work relationships, technologies like Zoom are helping because people are able to conduct business from different places, but they're able to still communicate. And also for any other form of long-distance relationships, technology is a good thing because people are able to keep in touch.
Thank you.
No, sort of like Luka, no way, sort of like
Miss Maggie Naimuri, the outgoing Miss Uganda, is and finally Miss Baka.
Tulio bulungi mutya.
Mwekaza.
Tugeza kupona bala kusabida.
So that means you gave us headache. Yeah. So apart from the person who
Listen, darling. Welcome to Kampala. Welcome to Kampala. We have the flyover. We have State Square. My God, what else do we have? Then, what? Queens. Kilokota was taken away. Kiroko flyover. Yeah, we have flyover. We have Ginger Road. We have
Miss Uganda East 2020. Kalera, what's the problem? Miss Uganda
2023.
2020, 2023.
Yes.
Yes, which district?
Ginger. Oh, yeah.
We're going to ask you to fast wait to take these pictures, and we finished the official crowning, so we can give you a picture with her with the crown. Don't have best one.
But now the crown is on you, my dear. You have the gold on the head plus the diamond. The silver. Yeah. Bambi, congratulations, darling. We pray for you. Yeah.
I'm good. How are you doing? My name is Rian Lelia Bateze. Atenze ndi musoga. Musoga mubede. Wazira. Era olunaku luno lulungi ino nebaza Katonda abazaire bange bakwano bange bonabona Miss Uganda World, Miss Uganda Foundation bonabona babairewo mweno journey to the crown. It was not easy at all, but tuchikoze era tulikwemerera wano omwana waimwe ali Miss Uganda Eastern era njaba twala paka waigulu tube Miss Uganda munsabire tujakola kyetusobola okola so that we stand as the best. The Eastern region is known to be the strongest, the most intelligent, the most powerful region in the country. I'd love to say, of course, the grace of God, because without him, truly, what are we? But then again, I didn't expect this at all, because that is crazy. But thank God that they did. Miss B picked up that microphone and she said, we have a 6th contestant, and that's number 7. And I stand here today thanking the grace of God for being able to wear this crown. No, I was already clapping for other ladies. I was saying, you know what, God, thank you so much for the opportunity. I'm happy to walk on this red carpet. I'm happy to work for the Miss Uganda Foundation. And I'm happy to just be here. That was me. But yes.
Do you see, could you fit in her shoes?
I believe with her cooperation, of course, we are a team here, a sisterhood, and without each other, we truly cannot win. So I can't wait to reach out to Miss Queen Abenacho, and we take the Eastern region and Uganda to the world.
So should we expect you to be Miss Uganda?
Yes, I do believe we can do it. Yes, but today you do know that it is beauty beyond what is outside. It is beauty with purpose, and I believe that I have a purpose that this country can believe in. I believe in my purpose, and I believe the world also believes in my purpose.
What's your theme?
My theme is artistic expression with movement in order to promote mental health. I'm here to stand with all the people that want to be better, feel better, and live better. That is the goal. Thank you so much.
Olwaleero tucrownize Miss Uganda East. Mpulira bulungi nnyo kubanga regions tuziwumbawumbye. Kati tugenda Kampala tulondemu abawala 30. Mu 30 ate tujja kuddamu tulondemu maaso eyo. Tujja kubaako challenges ze tubawa ate tulondemu nate. Abamu tubagambe nti tugenda kulondayo 30. Naye ate ekyomukisa nti bano already ba regional queens, kale tugenda kulonda 25 kubanga already abatano tubalina be ba regional queens.
Okay.
Week ejja ku Lwokusatu n'Olwokuna tugenda kusunsulamu. Ku Lwokusatu tugenda kusunsulamu abawala abawangalire Kampala naye nga bava mu East, North ne West Nile. Ku Lwokuna abawala abawangalire Kampala naye nga bava mu Central ne Eastern. Okutambula kubadde mu challenges zaako kubanga dynamics zaakyuka. Tubadde tumaze akabanga nga tetujja mu regions, so engeri events zezi promotingibwamu mu regions yakyuka si emu nga luli, so naye nga kibadde kyakuyiga kirungi nnyo.
Okay. Lwaki wano omusozi mulonze mukaaga?
Abaana bano babadde balungi ate babadde sharp nnyo okusinga ku bawala be twabadde twakalabako. Yensonga lwaki mu kifo ky'abataano tulonze mukaaga.
Atulinaabina kye yatukolera ebyamagero.
Mu region eno. Ng'ava eno.
Mu Uganda ne mu nsi yonna. Bonna abaana be mwakalondo. Mwalabye mwajja mu ngatozi.
Kubanga nabe nakyo tetwamulabirawo bajja tebalina buli kimu kye twetaaga. Naye ebyo musobola birabira ate mu bootcamp nga bamaze kubeera mu bootcamp tosobola kubalaba wano bakyali raw. Tetunaba basomesa bulungi, tetunaba bangula bulungi. So agamba wano tulabyeemu anaabeeranga abe nakyo. Tosobola kiraba kati kuba abe nakyo tetwakimulabamu ekyo nga baakajja.
Nga gwe omutesesi w'empaka za Miss Uganda. Osuubira nti nno wamudde Uganda esobola okubeera ku Miss Uganda?
Tewali kitasoboka gwe wali omanyi nti nno oba abantu baali bamanyi nti Uganda esobola okupulesinga ne tubeera bakusatu mu nsi yonna. Kyali tekiriwo ng'abantu mulina kuba nakukkiriza then abaana bwe bagenda ku mpaka ezo eza Miss World muwagire. Ekyo kye kisinga okuya musobola okusindika omuwala nga mulungi bannayuganda tebawagira bagamba tulonde tetulonda bagamba kale muteekeyo butesi message mulayikinga ebifaananyi nakyo tetukikola ensi endala zo nga zibikola zisapootinga abantu baabwe so ne tubeera nga ne oluusi omuwala aba mulungi naye nga tetusobola ku exceringa ennaku zino ebintu biri ku mutimbagano kasaba labanga ku internet tetutaddeeyo maanyi nga bagamba so abantu tulina okuwagira.
Abantu abawala bazzenga bwe mbadde musuubira omulundi guno
bazzenga bwe tubadde tusuubira kuba babadde babuuza nnyo ebibuuzo byaddi bambi nga n'abazadde abamu batanse okubuuza ku lw'abaana baabwe.
So musuubire ki?
Musuubire ebirungi byokka.